the picturesque Austrian city of Salzburg, the 15th edition of the World Mycotoxin Forum was held. Against the stunning backdrop of the historic city, specialists and scientists in the field of mycotoxins came together to discuss the latest trends and research findings in mycotoxins prevalence and mitigation. The common thread running through this 15th edition was building a resilient food system in the digital decade, challenges for mycotoxin research and management. The event brought together the world's top minds to explore integrated strategies that ensure the safety and security of the global food and feed supply chain, and to talk about the role of AI in all of this.
We are discussing here the important role of artificial intelligence in mycotoxin management and also mycotoxin research. There is definitely a very important role for AI in the future, certainly with all the pros and cons. And the discussion at the World Mycotoxin Forum of AI as a facilitator, as a decision-making enabling tool, as a predictive tool, but also the potential pitfalls and drawbacks, data security, algorithm convenience, etc. This is the topic of very exciting panel discussions.
The World Mycotoxin Forum provides a unique platform for scientists, researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to share insights, breakthroughs, and strategies in addressing the global mycotoxin challenge. The forum served not only as a meeting of minds, but also as a catalyst for transformative change in the field.
So for Cargill, it's really interesting to be here because it brings together researchers, academics, and the industry. And so we are always interested in partnership, in research, innovation, etc., to advance in in anti-mycotoxin solutions.
With participation from all corners of the world, the forum encouraged international collaboration. During plenary sessions and parallel discussions, the focus was on building a resilient food system globally.
Mycotoxin is a very important problem in Brazil because Brazil is a larger producer of foods, crops and animal-derived food products, so it's a big responsibility for us to deliver safety food.
WMF Meets Austria also offered excellent networking opportunities, enabling participants to share ideas and formulate recommendations for closing critical knowledge gaps in mycotoxin science and businesses.
So when I come here, what I really get out of it is a good chance to speak with all the researchers. It's a great opportunity to meet one-to-one. But there's also such a breadth of research topics being presented. You see what's up and coming, what the new research is going to be, and then there's also a good chance to get some retrospective, looking back at maybe some longer term projects to see how they progress. And it's people coming from all around the world. So you get a really good variety of topics that in different regions that are of interest or of importance that may not be relevant or you may not have on your radar. So it's a good chance to know what's happening globally.
In a world where global challenges require collaborative solutions, the World Mycotoxin Forum continues to promote knowledge exchange, innovation, and sustainable practices. With this 15th edition, WMF Meets Austria affirmed its reputation as the premier gathering for tackling the complex issues surrounding mycotoxins. Stay up to date on future editions at www.worldmycotoxinforum.org.
Everybody, let's talk about toxins and AI. We will check